This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make private APIs. A private API is designed for internal use, meaning it's only accessible from within a specific, controlled network environment. This approach significantly boosts security by keeping sensitive data and services away from the public internet. You'll often find private APIs powering microservices, internal applications, and secure partner integrations, ensuring that only authorized systems can communicate with your backend services. Building a private API starts with careful planning. First, define your API's specific needs, such as the types of data it will handle and who needs to access it. Next, deploy an API gateway within a virtual private cloud, or VPC, to act as a secure entry point. This gateway helps manage traffic and enforce security. Finally, set up detailed resource policies to precisely control which requests are permitted and under what conditions. Securing your private API is paramount. Employ robust authentication methods such as OAuth 2.0 or JSON Web Tokens, often called JWTs, to verify user and application identities. Beyond authentication, implement granular authorization with role-based access controls, ensuring users only access what they are permitted to see. Always encrypt data, both when it's moving across networks using HTTPS and when it's stored, providing comprehensive data protection. Ongoing maintenance is crucial for a secure private API. Always validate and sanitize all incoming data to guard against injection attacks and other vulnerabilities. Implement rate limiting and throttling to prevent abuse, such as denial of service attacks, by restricting the number of requests. Finally, continuously monitor your API's activity for suspicious patterns and ensure all components are regularly updated and patched to address any newly discovered security flaws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.